Hemant, and I am presenting our develop of schedule of quantity for selected trade using cost tax. Schedule of quantities. The schedule of quantity is a detailed list of all the materials, parts and labor required for a construction project. It specifies the quantities and types of each item needed to complete the work according to the project specification. Importance of SAQ in project is accuracy in cost estimation, project planning, tendering process and risk management. And its introduction about cost tax. Cost tax is a material takeoff and cost control application tool implemented by RIB for report generation, material quantity takeoffs and cost estimation for budgeting. The key feature of cost tax are 2D measurement. It allows accurate takeoff from 2D plans and drawing. 3D measurement supports 3D models, takeoffs for precise quantity and extraction. Integrated workbook links measurement directly to the cost item, streamlining the estimating process. BIM compatibility enables integration with building information modeling for advanced project analysis. Live link, real-time update between measurement and the workbook ensure accuracy. Customizable reports generates detailed and customizable report for documentation and presentation. Plan viewing, high quality plan viewing and navigation tools for efficient measurement. Cost libraries, access to comprehensive cost libraries for accurate and up-to-date pricing. The objectives of this presentation are demonstration the process of developing SAQ and using cost tax. It have learning how to understand the steps in setting up a project using cost tax, learn how to measure and quantify construction elements with cost tax, gain skill in inserting quantities into a workbook in cost tax, prepare a comprehensive schedule of quantity using cost tax, learn how to prepare a cost estimate using cost tax. In first, opening cost tax and navigation and creating a new building. Step 1, when cost tax is open, at the initial stage, the above screen appears, which includes two options, new project and new building. Each of these options has a different meaning. In new building can have a single building or a several buildings depending on the project applied when the project includes only one building. In new project selected when there is a more than one building in a project. Act as a new document and a folder. A building act as a file within the project folder. In step 2, in the second phase, a user can enter the structural details of the building such as name, code and type of building, unit measuring of the building. The building type and the building name can be changed as per requirement. In step 3, insert drawing. To insert drawing, choose the drawing tab on the navigation bar. Click on the add section option located at the corner of the screen. Select the design AutoCAD drawing or PDF file. Navigate to the required drawing sheet within the file. Measurement and quantification by using cost tax. Calculation of floor area. To calculate area, certain things will be included as shown in the diagram. To calculate the total GFA, we need to select the outer line of the building covered by a wall of the exterior wall after importing the requirement drawing in cost tax and note the following measurement. As we can see, our floor area is 3421 meter square. Calculation of slab area. Similarly, when determining the slab area, we have to subtract area of voids in particular opening for mechanical and electrical fitting and lighting ventilation. In calculation of pile work, according to diagram, 100,000 mm diameter, 20 meter axiom long concrete driven piles used in the project, complying with the Australian New Zealand standard method of measurement 2022 standard. 3 key measurement elements are rig movement for pile driving, supply and handling for from offsite to onsite, including storage, number of driven piles. Cost of work measurement, 20 piles each 20 meter in length, 10 rig movements for placing 20 piles driven to a bedrock, total length of driven piles 20 piles into 20 meter each, 400 meter total driven pile length. Glaze and aluminum facade. Collect data through the elevation drawing in cost tax. Set the metric system in cost tax. Locate the outer edge of the facade zone and drawing. Use Costax tool to find the area in square meter. Record window, doors, and other voids separately. Subtract void area from the total facet area. Net area of aluminum and glass facet available in Costax. In floor finishes, insert the metric system is selected in Costax. Import relevant floor plan into Costax. Organize layer to distinguish different finishes, carpet finishes, tile finishes. Select the appropriate measurement tool for floor finishes. Draw around the perimeter of each area with specific finish. Identify and record any voids, furniture, fixtures separately. Subtract void areas from the total measured area to get the net area. Calculate the net floor area for each type of finish. Insert quantities to workbook. To insert quantities to workbook, open the workbook in Costax. Select the appropriate project and trade. Navigate to the measurement screen. Choose the relevant quantities measured for each finish. Use the insert function to transfer quantities to the workbook. Insert quantities are correctly linked to the corresponding cost item. Adjust any quantities or description as needed. To prepare SUQ by using Costax. To prepare SUQ, open Costax and access the project workbook. Review the inserted quantities and ensure they are accurate. Organize the quantities by trade or material type of clarity. Add description and specification to the quantities as needed. Use Costax feature to group, subtotal and organize the quantities into structured schedule of quantities. Review the SUQ to ensure completeness and accuracy. To prepare estimate, assign unit rate to each item in the SUQ. Calculate the total cost for each item based on the quantity and rate. Summarize cost for each trade and area. Include contingency and overhead cost as needed. Generate reports to present the cost estimation clearly. In conclusion, it summarizes the key steps in using Costax for SUQ development, cost estimation and documentation. Demonstrated how to open Costax, navigate its interface and create a new building project. Show the process of measurement and quantification using Costax tools. Explain how to insert quantity into the workbook accurately. Highlighted the preparation of the schedule of quantity using Costax. Cover the steps of prepare a detailed cost estimate with Costax. In conclusion, the use of Costax enhances efficiency and accuracy and communication in construction project management, resulting in better project and outcomes and cost control. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Give a round of applause. Guys, Hemant, I just wanted to take you bye-bye. I just want to check with you. How we build up the rates? How we build up the rates for the items? Which component we have to be thinking about?
Labor, material, equipment.
Material, what else?
Equipment, plant.
Yeah, correct.
Ads.
Inclusion and exclusion of the GFA?
Inclusion are walls, and exclusion are driveway.
Driveway? For the exclusions?
Driveway, parking.
Parking.
Yeah.
Correct. And the voids?
Ads.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.